If you have a new Mac and we're hoping to open it up, launch GarageBand, and start creating that #1 chart topper, only to find that you cannot find GarageBand, well, you're not alone. This happens to many people. But don't worry, I will show you where your applications are located and where you can download the Mac built-in apps, or rather, the not so built-in apps. First, click out of any open application. Then in the top or upper Finder menu, click Go. On the drop-down menu, click Applications. Here in this window, you will be able to view all applications installed on your Mac. Let's say I wanted to create a presentation like someone might create a PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft's PowerPoint software. Well, I would do that using Apple's Keynote. Did I mention it's free? That's right, for free. An application that can do almost everything PowerPoint can do. And as you can see in this Finder window, I do not have Keynote installed. Let's install it now. Go to your dock and click on Launchpad. Click the App Store icon. When the App Store opens up, enter the name of the app you are looking for in the search bar. In this case, enter Keynote. Here it is. Simply click the cloud download icon. It's finished downloading. And now you'll see the open button here. But before we do that, let's check our applications folder. There's Keynote. So from here, you could launch Keynote either from here in the App Store by clicking open, or from the applications window here by double clicking Keynote. We'll go ahead and double click Keynote here. Folks, it's that easy. If you're looking for the other Apple built-in apps or paid for apps as well, simply repeat the same steps we've covered. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.